Hey there, YouTube land. Brimstone 667 here. So we're down at my sister's, and we're trying to get ready before the snow falls. But I actually, well, I used the old Jeep over here. Works good, but we used it to load the front part of the frame here up on the trailer. I forgot to hit record, so that's on me. I thought I was recording the whole thing, but yeah, that was quite the pain because using J hooks and all that good stuff. But watching for traffic. But yeah, so because this 454 is going to a buddy of mine. It's going to be for one of his projects. I think an Impala. I can't remember, but it's out of a motorhome. But he's going to make it work on his Impala. So we're doing a little trading for him for work for me, and yeah, so that was fun. That took us what I figured was going to be like an hour. It took us 5 because that thing would not cooperate because it's very nose heavy, and as you can see, well, I don't know if you can see it now, but it fought us the whole way coming up because it was where it's sitting now. It fought us the whole way getting up on the trailer, and that whole thing that I thought was recording, it did not record. So this is getting loaded up for its next home, and then after that, hopefully I remember to record this time. But this back half we're going to be throwing up onto the trailer. Going to be another day though, because you know it's raining, but we're trying to beat the snow. So this is actually going to be used back in because it's a 10 lug. I think I'm going to use it for one of my old Chevys, maybe the 52, maybe this other project I'm working on, I don't know. But then this 60-gallon gas tank coffin, it's going to be going on another project as well. But you know, like I said, I've always tried to save stuff from going to scrap. But yeah, this came from a piece of property that we were helping clean. So yeah, so hopefully I'll remember to record this time when I load this up on the trailer next, using him. Like my roof, it's OG, works good, yeah, especially when it's raining. But yeah, truck runs really good though. That old 350 that's in it, yeah, that's really fun. Still a lot of things I got to work on it though, but it's a fun little toy. It's probably gonna be sent in the winter though, because I still got a lot of stuff to do before I can get it on the road, especially that tire right there. Or actually no, it's on that side. Driver's side? Yeah, driver's side. Anyway, but yeah, so that's for this part. So we'll see on the next part where we get the frame up onto the trailer next. So alright, see you there. So, before we head out to do some work though real quick, I just wanted to give a quick shout out. So, before we do start work though, I just wanted to give a quick shout out to StickerFritz.com. So they actually sent me a few stickers the other day, and I'm really excited about that. And I figure out how to sell them. Really cool looking. But yeah, I'm thinking $4 or $5, maybe a couple dollars shipping and handling. Oh no, yeah, I'm still trying to figure out the merchandise site, because I do still have my friend Ripley Design doing my shirts and stuff, if you're interested, you know. But yeah, if you're interested in a sticker though, brimstone667@yahoo.com, and you know, I'll put a link in the description. I'll figure out a price for that too. But yeah, go there, tell them I sent you too. And I think Fritz 15, I think, is use that, and I believe you get 15% off your order. Also, orders are free shipping and handling. So I just, you know, wanted to give a big shout out to them real quick. And yeah, StickerFritz.com. So again, guys, thank you so much for the stickers. Oh, also real quick too, little shout out to Vevor.com. So the chains that I used in it is, which I do have an affiliate link for. You get a pair of 10-foot J hooks, some bridles. You know, I'll leave a affiliate link for it, but you can get yourself a nice pair of chains from Vevor.com. So yeah, they're my new affiliates, and getting some cool stuff from them. I got those chains that I've been testing out on, you know, a bunch of different stuff, so they work really well. But affiliate link will be in the description for that if you want to get yourself a pair of those. So yeah, all right, let's get to it. All right, well, as you can see, that thing's on the trailer now, and we're going to go ahead and button this up. I got a lot of editing to do now, trying to figure all that stuff out. So yeah, anyway, it's not ideal system yet, because I still got a lot of stuff I want to get done on that truck. You know, like I still got to replace a bunch of snatch blocks and stuff that I used to have on my other tow trucks that went missing. So yeah, all right, anyway, I don't think there's anything else. So yeah, anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, that's definitely was different than what I usually do, but you know, I got to play with the old Kaiser, so that's fun. The light bar kind of works actually. It's flashing anyway, but yeah, still a lot of stuff to do on that truck though, and all that. So all right, gonna button this up, and thank you for watching, and if you like what you see, there's gonna be more coming, so like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. We'll see you on the next one. Bye.